If you can get these 10 things right, your Faceless channel will explode. And by the end of 2025, you could be getting over 1 million views and making over $10,000 a month. Hi, I'm Shourav, and over the past 6 years, I've created over 300 Faceless videos on this channel. Today, I'm breaking down everything I've learned into a simple, actionable 10-point checklist. This is the checklist I wish someone had given me when I first started. So if you want to build a profitable Faceless channel with a loyal audience, let's dive in. Set realistic expectations. 99% of new creators think Faceless YouTube is an easy get-rich-quick scheme. They assume they can upload a few AI-generated videos and make $10,000 a month overnight. The truth? Success takes real effort. Whether it's a faceless or face-based channel, growth doesn't happen overnight. Be ready to invest at least 1 year of consistent effort. The ones who win are those who improve with every video. Focus on quantity first, quality later. Beginners waste weeks perfecting their first video instead of publishing. But the real secret? Quality comes from quantity. On our channel, it took us nearly 100 videos to figure out what works. So, don't overthink it. Publish, learn, and improve. Every video is an experiment. Pick a profitable niche. Your niche decides 2 things: how big your audience is, how much money you can make. 4. Example, candle making has a small audience and low earnings, but finance, AI, and self-improvement, massive demand plus high earnings. So, choose wisely and stick to it. Jumping between niches kills growth. Study your competitors. Instead of guessing, find 5 to 10 successful faceless channels in your niche and study their best performing videos. Look at most watched topics in the last 6 to 12 months, common patterns in their videos, what their audience engages with, where there's demand, there's opportunity. Make content people are already searching for, but better. Be authentic. Serve your audience. Most faceless channels fail because they only chase views and money. But the best ones? They solve real problems. If your content is useful and engaging, viewers will trust you, watch more, and share your videos. The key to long-term success? Value first, money later. Master your titles and thumbnails. Your title, plus. Thumbnail, 90% of your success. A great video without a click-worthy title. And thumbnail? Invisible. Decide your title and thumbnail before scripting. Make it impossible to ignore. Curiosity-driven, emotional, or problem-solving. Test different styles and improve over time. Nail this, and your views will skyrocket. Write engaging scripts. Boring script, no views. Your script should match the promise of your title. No clickbait. Hook viewers in the first 30 seconds. Be emotional, relatable, and structured well to improve your scripts. Watch top 10 videos in your niche. See what key points they cover. Add more value and fresh insights. Better scripts. More watch time. Higher YouTube ranking. Build a strong brand. The best faceless channels aren't just channels, they are brands. Think about 10x Income, Magnets Media, or AI Guy. The moment you hear their names, you instantly know what they offer. To build your brand, have a consistent tone and style. Serious, educational, or fun. Use unique visual elements, fonts, colors, voiceovers. Create a signature format, storytelling, deep analysis, etc. A strong brand, creating higher audience retention plus long-term success. Stay consistent, at least 20-25. Videos most new creators quit after 2-3 months. But here's the reality. YouTube needs 20 to 25 videos to understand your audience and niche. Upload. At least 1 video per week. If that's too much, do 2 per month, but never stop. Consistency signals to YouTube that you're serious. The more you post, the faster you grow. 10. Start making money from day 1, relying only on YouTube AdSense. Big mistake. Most faceless channels fail because they make $0 in their first few months and give up. So start monetizing from day 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions. Sponsorships. Brands will pay for shoutouts. Digital products. ebooks, courses, etc. A tech review channel can make $100 per sale through affiliate commissions, long before YouTube monetization. We've made a full step-by-step guide on earning money with faceless channels, so go check it out next. Final thoughts. Most people fail at YouTube because they expect fast results and quit too soon. But the winners? They stay consistent, learn, and improve. Start now. Post at least 20-25 videos. Keep improving every single time. By the end of 2025, your faceless channel could be making thousands of dollars per month. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and check out my next video on making money with faceless channels. See you soon. Bye.